So for question 2, they actually have a straight line L which is passes through 2 points A and B. And now we have the midpoint of AB is going to be denoting as M. So first question is asking to find the equation of L, as L passes through this 2 point. So you can either use 2-point form or can just use y equal to mx plus c. So first of all, so let the equation of L is going to be y equal to mx plus c. And as L passes through AB, so we have the slope of L is equal to the slope of AB. Then we can use the slope formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we can say that the m is equal to 10 minus 6 divided by 2 minus 22. So that's 4 divided by negative 20, giving you negative 1 over 5. So now we can say that the L is actually having an equation of y equal to negative 1 over 5x plus c, but we're still not yet what is the y-intercept yet. But because L passes through these 2 points, so we can either substitute A into the L or B into the L as well. So we can substitute the point A to 10. You can substitute B as well, it's the same. So substitute 210 into L. Then we can say we just change the y value becomes 10, x value becomes 2. So now I have 10 is equal to negative 1 over 5, 2, so that's times 2, plus c, so that we have c is going to be equal to 10 plus 2 over 5, giving you 52 over 5. Then we can say that the equation of y, the equation of L is going to be y equal to mx, the m should be negative 1 over 5, and then plus the c, which is 52 over 5. And then so for part B, they're asking about for the midpoint, the m, because they're saying that m is actually the midpoint of the segment, isn't it? So midpoint just means if we have any 2 points here, this is A, this is B, then the midpoint is the middle point of them, so that we can using the formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and then y1 plus y2 divided by 2 to calculate what's the midpoint m. Then we can just say that the m's coordinates is being x1 plus x2, so 2 plus 22 divided by 2, and we have 10 plus 6 divided by 2. So I say again, so x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. As they are just asking to write down, you don't need to have showing any steps. So it's, now it's just equal to 12 and 8. So for part C, they're saying that the m is reflected along the x-axis. So when along the x-axis, that means that you need to change the y-coordinates becomes negative, because if this is the x-axis, then this is the y-axis. Then for example, if I have a point here, that's going to be 2, 3. After I reflect it, then it's going to be becomes 2, negative 3. Because they're on the same x line, but the only thing changed is going up or going down. So you need to change the positive or the negative. So now what we have to do is to see is this whether it passes through by the straight line equation L. So we're trying to subs the n into L. So we can say here, so I write it here again. So our m is supposed to be 12, 8. This is our point m. And our point n is going to be 12, negative 8. As again, because it's going to reflect along the x-axis, then we need to change the value of y to negative. So substitute n into L, then we have the left-hand side is going to be just the y value, that's going to be negative 8. And then RHS, the right-hand side is going to be negative 1 over 5 times x, which is 12 plus 52 over 5. So that's going to be giving you negative 12 plus 50, giving you 40 divided by 5, which is equal to 8. So it's not equal to the left-hand side. So we can say that L does not passes through the n. Okay, so that's for question 2.